like Kentucky, like the Appalachian.
And then they moved to Kansas.
Yes.
And then
from Kansas
to good old Southern Indiana, baby.
Yeah.
And been here ever since. And now we are all spread out between Evansville, Lexington, and they said a few in Tennessee.
Yeah. And I'm trying to
think who that would be. It said it's one of the rarest names in the U.S.
Yeah.
And there's only so many of us in the world, which is crazy because our dad has 18 siblings.
Right.
Which you would think that would turn into a big family, but that means Grandpa Pete had all of them.
Yeah.
How many of them kids are yours? All of them.
All of them.
But man, dude, I got really into it. And the funny thing is our brother Chad, he sweared that we're Italian.
Yeah.
And we are not. And it was funny because I even put into AI. My brother still thinks we're from Italy. And he was like, yeah, your brother's not being stubborn, but just because it sounds Italian doesn't mean it is. And then it broke down like the language and and like this is why. Yeah. And then it said, here's the major proof. Your surname is definitely French.
Yeah.
And the woman that he married, Luis married, his name was French.
And then if you looked into the community they moved into in Ohio, Gallia, that was actually a very large like French immigrant area.
That's crazy, man.
Yeah.
And I know people are probably out there like, I don't care about your family.
Yeah, they're like, they've already turned.
Yeah.
Okay, getting back. Leslie Irvin.
Yeah, let's talk about it.
Pull up Leslie Irvin. Search Leslie Irvin, producer Rick.
Leslie Irvin.
I think I'm gonna blow you away on this.
Man, I feel like Leslie Irvin.
Let's see if you know, because I'm
surprised. I know who
surprised
Michael Irvin is.
Well, I'm surprised you don't know
was
this.
Fast.
Michael Irvin's a Dallas Cowboy ex wide receiver.
Check this out. That's the right one. Check this out, dude.
Oh, no, I know about this.
You do? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I figured you would.
This was early on, 1950s, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
My dad told me this, and I had no idea.
Yeah. And the Mad Dog. That's what they called him. The Mad Dog Killer.
I mean, I think he had killed, on record, at like at least six people.
So I don't know a lot about him, man. So what do you know?
So the only thing I really know is, I guess he was deemed as a serial killer, but there was a motive other than just being, nefarious. I mean, he was robbing. Most of these involved robbery.
Yep. 1954, Mary Holland, 33, shot in the head, close range at work. She was 3 months pregnant, scumbag. He's a scumbag. December 23rd, 54, Wesley Kerr, 29, shot in the head, close range at work, robbery. 1955, March 21st, Wilhelmina Sailor, 47.
Wilhelmina.
Yeah.
Burglary.
Housewife, killed at home, shot in the head. Man, he's a head shooter.
Yep.
March 28th, 55, Goebel Duncan, 51, Henderson, Kentucky, burglary. Raymond Duncan, 29, Goebel's son. Maple Elizabeth Duncan, 20, Doris Ray's Raymond's brother's wife. Man, he killed that whole family. Dude, that's crazy.
But I did not know this.
So he's not the only serial killer that had a connection to Evansville, but he's the only one that was
actually in Evansville. And I don't know how true this is because I didn't do much research. But my dad said he would, when he killed somebody, he would leave a fresh dime on their body. So that was his calling. Now I don't know how true that is.
Oh, I bet your dad knows, man.
Well, I know that it was really scared into him when he was young, like this guy.
Well, because he was like 10 years old, man.
Yeah.
I wonder why they called him the Mad Dog Killer. I wonder where that come from, that moniker. The Mad Dog, after some wrangling between Kentucky and Indiana.
No, I put a dime in there, and it's there's no.
Okay, so then I don't know if that was just folklore around here.
It might have been. A lot of killers leave calling cards, man.
I just thought that was wild.
Which
man.
now,
I've never heard that story.
I read this whole thing where they're kind of characterizing them different now, man. Like a serial killer is a killer that has more than 3 kills, but there's a cooling off period in between their kills. Then there's mass killers, which kill a bunch of people at one time.
Yeah.
Then there's rampage killers, which kill a bunch of people in separate instances, but there's no cooling off period.